You are going to love the 2017 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, tinted glass, cargo net, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.